Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Prime Coding. I am Aditya, and today I have an exciting news to share with you all. As you can see, Tech Mahindra hiring started for 2025 batch. We'll see everything that you need to require to crack this on-campus opportunity. It might Tech Mahindra has not visited your campus, but there is a good news. Tech Mahindra started hiring and they will visit your campus very soon. So prepare yourself, get up all the stuff which is required to ace Tech Mahindra recruitment drive. So let's see. The very first thing that most of the people being curious for, which is 4 LPA and 5.5 LPA, and the role that they are offering is associate software engineer, and you can expect 5.5 up to 5.5 LPA salary per year. And the batch is eligible is 2024 and 2025. In this video, I will let you know dates, eligibility, and what all stuffs that you require to crack this recruitment drive. And academic eligibility, if I say qualifying courses for BE Tech, okay, the BCA and most of is not allowed, and we'll see everything clearly as well. But as you can see, all these only branches are eligible for this recruitment drive, not more than this, not less than this. So all, if you are from computer science, computer engineering, IT, ENC, telecommunication, telecom and stuff, you are eligible for this particular opportunity. And if you are from MCA or Masters of Computer Science, still you are eligible for this opportunity. Now, academic eligibility would be candidates should be completing qualifying course in 2025 without any backlogs. So do focus on it here, guys. Should have consolidated mark sheets or PDC, which is provisional degree certificate, issued at the time of offer from the company. An offer will be declared from the company, and you need to take your PDC from your college before joining the company as a full-time engineer. Should have scored minimum 70% or 7 CGPA in SSC, which is 10th, in higher secondary school, which is 12th, diploma, or in case if you have done diploma, and BTech, MCA, MSc, and computer science. So all these branches are eligible, and you should at least have 70% marks or more than that in your 10th, 12th, and at least scores more than 7 CGPA, or you should have more than 7 CGPA in current ongoing semesters. Now, if you're looking for free items such as full Python course, RAC course, which is worth of rupees 20k or 25k, because it is a trending technology. If you don't know about RAC, do check that out, and you will get a premium Genemy access of Collab, and as well as the Google credit to upskill yourself. For all the students, it is free, guys. So it is free by Survey.ai. Please register yourself and get this all credits in your pocket and prepare for your placement or upcoming off-campus drives. Eligibility criteria. Applicants must have obtained 70% in the class 10th, as I said, 70% in class 12th, and 7 CGPA in undergrad, and 70% in your diploma. So if you have 68 or 69.9, still you are not eligible. You should at least have a whole number of 70% in your education systems, okay? Because I got comments 69.9, am I eligible for it or stuff? I'm from BC, am I eligible? No, you're not eligible. Now, Shandeep, Shubham, Adesh, Varun, these are the candidates who recently cracked Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, and TCS NQT digital profile, as well as the Prime profile and Ninja profile. So you can be the next. You just need to have a mock session with us, which will be 1 hour of dedicated technical sessions, and HR managerial round will be included in the 1 hour of session. Then the resume will be given to you, in which I will let you know what are stuffs that you need to do, increase visibility in your resume, and personalized feedback, and depending upon your mock session, what are things that you need to focus more, what is a weak side and how you can overcome from it. Suggestions for future improvement includes all the everything, which is roadmap, your doubt solving, suggestions, guidance, mentorship, and much more. So for this, you just need to head over to primecoding.in. You will get a multiple company cards. Just have a session, and I will convert your interview opportunity to the offer letter and make your parents proud. So please do check that out. So hiring flow, resume shortlisting, which is a first round that you need to crack. It typically depends upon college to college or company to company, because basically this round is just a round because everyone used to get OA in as a first round. So please do check that your resume is up to the mark, then only apply here, because you can't take the toss. So pre-placement talk, where they will let you know about all the eligibility and stuff. Aptitude test, English essay, story, same as cognizant, and technical and psychometric test, conversational test, which is a virtual interview, and technical and HR interview is whole hiring flow I just showed now. Now, first two round will be conducted in college premises through on campus. So yes, they're pretty much clear with their with their assessment system, when where will be there, and whether it is online or offline. It is offline. Further rounds from conversational test till HR interview will be done at Tech Mahindra premises. So online assessment or all hiring flow, excluding the interview, everything will be there in your college, and your interview would be at Tech Mahindra premises. So pretty much clear. So date of this particular opportunity is depends on the college. 13th of September, most of the college got their date for this assessment or a recruitment drive. If you don't get notification from your TPOs, you can either ask them or wait for few weeks. You will damn sure you will get your dates regarding the Tech Mahindra, because it hires throughout Pan India in every college. Most of the college Tech Mahindra do visit and hires at least 70 to 100 candidates, guys. So do check that out. Now, super coder selection, because if you want to grab the 5.5 LPA package, you need to qualify for super coder selection. So candidate who excel academically, perform well in the selection process, excluding the HR round, okay, to be honest, will qualify for consideration in the super code selection. Eligible candidate will then take the super coder test, and those who pass will be designated as a super coder, okay, because after your whole hiring flow, there is again test that you need to appear, so that you will be judged whether you are eligible for super coder or you deserve these profiles or not. And not only this, as few of my friends also worked in Tech Mahindra, they told after joining the company, they have more assessments in company where you need to perform well in their training programs, and according to that, they will allocate you roles. Okay, and joining location and work timings, candidates should be open to working in different shifts, positions, or open to Tech Mahindra office across location, because in your HR interview, you will definitely get this question: what is your thought about relocation? So you should be very positive with relocations. Candidates should be flexible to work on different projects at the Tech Mahindra development centers and client locations spread across country according to company work hours. Bond and compensation. So this company includes bond, guys. So bond companies is the company where if you join, you can't leave unless your bond is not over. So if you are leaving it, you need to pay, I guess, more amount. We'll see how much amount we need to pay if we break the bond. Okay, so on selection, candidate will be prohibition for 6 months. Guys, you might think prohibition, what do you mean by it? In prohibition, company has full rights to revoke your offer, to terminate you and stuff. Okay, so prohibition periods is a period that you need to perform well, you need to showcase your qualities in the company premises. And COE cleared students will be eligible for 4 LPA package. Candidate clearing regular selection process would become eligible for CTC 3.25 lakh per annum. Candidate clearing super coder selection process will get 5.5 lakh per annum. Candidate will have to sign indemnity bond for 1 lakh for a mandatory period of a service period, 2 years, for the date of joining to the company. So it is of 1 lakh. If you terminated, you need to pay 1 lakh, or it's totally depend upon which profile you got, because there is a 4 LPA, 3.5 LPA, 3.25 LPA, and 5.5 LPA. It's totally depend upon role to role. So be specific with this company. And if you want to prepare for Infosys SP role, resources is allocated. Accenture extensive resources is provided in this playlist, as well as all cheat sheet is also uploaded, which will help you to crack your on-campus placement drive or off-campus placement drive of TCS, Accenture, Cognizant. Mindtree notes, mock sheets are also available, and TCS announcement, which will gonna happen in next month. So do prepare for now onwards. so that you can crack an opportunity when these company visits to your college. Now, thanks for watching this video. If you're watching till now, do like this video, subscribe this channel if you have not. So if you need Tech Mahindra sheets or any of the supports, do let me know in the comment section. If we have a lot number of comments that they need the playlist of all the questions that were asked, will definitely create you and help you out to clear this round. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.